Good morning, guys. I'm gonna do a quick update on the tomato containers. I put the potatoes down here because I watered them last night and it was making a mess on the table, so I just put them down here to drain. I haven't put them back on the table yet. Today's June 10th. This is what the green beans looked like yesterday, right here. You can see how much they've grown just within a day. And then these are the new ones that have just popped up. There's some more. They're just so adorable when they're babies. Here's our tomatoes. These are the big boy tomatoes. Lettuce, red leaf lettuce. I don't see, besides these couple up here, any more flowers on this plant. Looks like this one just has this one baby one. I've noticed some light green with deep green veins on these leaves. I'm not sure if that's a lack of fertilizer, so I gave them an extra boost of some fish fertilizer as well as the organic slow release fertilizer that I use. Something has gotten down in here and dug around, so I'm gonna have to fill that back up with some soil. Here's what the other side of this container looks like. Here's the cherry tomatoes. This one has lots of cherries setting. Green bean isn't doing as well, but I think that's because this tomato plant is so much bigger. Here's our potatoes, which very badly need to be topped off with soil, but my husband has been working a lot, and they've been closed by the time he gets off work, so I haven't had a chance to get any soil. I may end up needing to just go to get a couple bags of soil just to top these containers off. But what I wanted to do was get a trailer load full, because I can get a trailer load for $30 instead of one little bag that will barely fill these 3 up for $10. I'll give you guys a quick look at the strawberries. This one is the Ozark Beauty. It's been producing a little bit, but it doesn't have as many blooms as the other one we have. And as you can see, we're still dealing with the birds getting to them before we do. Another strawberry that a bird has gotten a hold of, but as you can see, tons and tons of strawberries are set on this one. And then here's the other strawberry container that I had transplanted a couple lettuce in, where the bare root strawberries didn't make it. Here is the container that I have lettuce and some herbs in. This is the one that was completely overtaken with lettuce. I went through and cut a lot out, and now we have some other things that are finally able to start growing. We've got some baby carrots, some cilantro, basil, and as of right now, I think that's the only thing that's made its way through. Here are the pansies that I just transplanted about 2 days ago. When I transplanted them, I also planted some blueberry jam petunias seeds. So those should be popping up here soon. I came over to prune a few suckers and got a bit of a surprise. So I've been showing you guys these green beans here. I believe this is the one I showed on the garden update and was talking about how it has just like exploded. But this is why you need to diligently look behind every leaf. We've got some monsters back here that I didn't see whatsoever. Hiding behind a bunch of the leaves. Alright, well, that's going to do it for this update. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you subscribe if you haven't already.